Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your Baseus Storm 1. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And now, right here at the bottom we have this connection button, press and hold until this LED light flashing 3 times. Here we go, now you can release your finger and firstly we should remove it. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and now after hard reset, this earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!